Hit the sack, unpacking English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we unpack the suitcase of English idioms and phrases to make you a fluent and natural English speaker. Today, we're diving into the cozy idiom, hit the sack. Let's get comfortable and start exploring what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When someone says they're going to hit the sack, they don't mean they're about to punch a bag of potatoes. In English, hit the sack simply means to go to bed. It's a casual and informal phrase that's commonly used when someone is tired and ready to sleep. Ever wondered where this sleepy expression comes from? Hit the sack dates back to a time when mattresses were often sacks filled with straw or hay. At the end of a long day, you'd literally hit the sack to even out the straw before lying down. Today, we use it figuratively to announce our departure to dreamland. Let's put our idiom into action. You can say, "I've had a long day at work. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight." Or if you see someone yawning, you might suggest, "You look exhausted. Maybe you should hit the sack." It's that easy to sprinkle your conversation with a little idiomatic charm. And that's a wrap on Hit the Sack. We hope you're now feeling snug with this expression and ready to use it in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll sound like a native speaker. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, good night, and don't hesitate to hit the sack whenever you need.